Alright, today I am opening up this Samsung S25 Ultra. I'm not a Samsung guy. I'm an Apple person, but I got this as a backup from Google Fi. Cost me about $600. So okay, very square, well, rectangular. Let's open the screen. Okay, it's nice. Turn it on. There you go, I got it turned on. Alright, let's see if there's anything else in the box. Google Fi, instructions on how to set up. Okay. There's nothing in here. Oh. Okay, at least here's a cable. That's one more cable than the Apple. And a SIM tray pick. That's about it.